Hello, welcome to Shaler Subaru. Today we're going to go over how to pair your phone with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to take advantage of your phone's services like your GPS, your messaging, and your phone calls. You're going to need three things. One, you're going to need a Subaru. Two, you're going to need a phone. Three, you're going to need some sort of charger. Come on, follow me. First, we're going to set up Apple CarPlay. Step 1, turn on your Subaru. Step 2, connect your charger. Step 3, connect your iPhone. Once the app is highlighted, you may click it. Now you are free to enjoy your Apple CarPlay. Now we will be setting up our Android Auto. Step 1, start your Subaru. Step 2, connect your charger. Step 3, plug in your phone. Once the app is highlighted, click the icon and you're ready to use your Android Auto.